Hello everyone, this is Minh. Today's video I would like to show you how to disable widget menu on Windows 11 and how to enable it back on Windows 11. Okay, let's start. Okay, right now I'm on my screen with Windows 11. So you may see something new here. We call it widget. So something like this, and it may look a little bit different from time to time with weather or stock or some information or new up here, and you can also add the widget in here. Sometimes we don't need it. For example, we want to disable it or get rid of it. So there are two ways to do so. First, you can right click here, just hide from the taskbar, then you no longer access to it, right? What if you want to add it back? So we right click somewhere here to taskbar setting. Okay, so it will end up the taskbar setting right here. So we just put it back, then it come back. This is very simple, and okay, just disable it or enable it. It's up to you. And sometimes it didn't show some information here. You may need to sign in with Microsoft account if you want to get some information here, or you just don't need it. Just disable it here, so you will not touch it again. So there's no widget right here. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question related to Windows 11, please let me know in the comment. Okay, see you in the video. Bye bye.